y'all, this is your girl Courtney and welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. In today's video, I am going to be working on cleaning and organizing my garage because honey, it's a hot mess. That thing has not been touched since the van built. There is sawdust, there is dust, there is pollen, there is dog food, there is dog hair everywhere on every surface. But we're going to get that sucker cleaned up, organized, and ready for the season. Honey, we are going to turn that garage from a hot mess into the hottest game room in PA. So stick with me while I get on it. My garage, aka game room. I thought this was going to take all day, but not too bad. I have all the excess junk cleared out in here. This doesn't look the best, but I still want to keep this box for my spray painting. I may put that in the shed as well. All clean over here, not cleaned, but decluttered. And this is how it's looking. This is all my things for my party, including my wine. And yeah, that's what it's looking like right now. Over here I have to hang that picture, beautiful picture my cousin gave me. Thank you, Karen. And over here on this side, loads of garbage, recycling, but all of that will be coming out. And all of this that I now have stacked, I have to clean that cooler, that I now have stacked on this cart, yeah, is going back to the shed. Oh, FYI, if anyone's interested in this brand new Max Air Fan Deluxe, it's for sale. And the return period was over on this one, so it's for sale. Hit me in those comments if you're interested. Also have this awning, a small awning. Doesn't have the right hardware, or it's not compatible or something with my van, so that's also for sale. Okay. garage is so dirty because I never really cleaned it after the van build. So it's sawdust, dust, winter dirt, pollen blowing in. It's a million reasons why this garage is a hot mess. But I'm gonna continue working, and I'll turn the camera back on when I get about halfway on this floor. Okay, I'm gonna change my water and wash this once again. I went over the floor one more time and got as many of the stains up as I could. Everything is now cleaned and dusted. I just have the supplies and a couple things here on the pool table. Perfectly honest with you, I'm not happy with the way that this floor held up. And right now, what I'm showing you is where it's cracked and chipped, especially right here by the door. Looks pretty bad. And this was just done 2 years ago, and I thought it would have held up better than that. The concrete paint and the chip that I got from Lowe's. So just be prepared. If you buy this product, it's only gonna last you 2 years. Anyway, that's it for today, y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video provides inspiration, cleaning inspiration, DIY inspiration, decorating inspiration, inspiration. And how many times can you say that? Thanks for watching.